Hey campers, Justin from 230. We get a lot of questions on telescoping ladders, how to use them, how to work, how do they deploy. So we want to show you how ours works. I can't talk for anybody else's because we don't own anyone else's ladder, but here's how ours work. So these guys just drop out. Now we want to make sure that this doesn't get any free play at the top and the ladder's at the right angle. So we're going to hold the top two rungs. We're going to let that lock all the way in. Now you can see that that doesn't quite touch the ground there, so we need to go one more half step. Our ladder has one more half step adjustment. You can hear it click then. Right, now that's firm and square, that's locked in a position. This is how your ladder should look. If you've got it so it is like that, not right. Like that, that's not right either. That's too much of an angle. You're going to put too much weight on the ladder and it's probably going to break. So take advantage of the half step that we've got. And there we go. Half step at the top. That gets the ladder adjusted right. If you've got any more questions, give us a call in the office, 855-875-7755, or check out 230.com.